Hello, this is Raihan. Welcome to another video of Adobe Illustrator CC class number 12. So in this class, I will going to show you several tools. I have complete all tools today in this video. And maybe in this video, I will finish our tool section video. So this is the last of the last video about tools recognized or about tools introduced. So this is the last video, so you have to keep practice yourself which tools I share with you the before video or previous video. I think you see and got it. So every tools you need to utilize yourself so that you understand to properly and you work with friendly or very widely. Okay, so I don't talk anymore here, let's go. So everybody, you see this is Illustrator application. Now I'm going to show you first eyedropper tools. Before you see that actually what does eyedropper tools? Eyedropper tools is just took a color. See the color is getting when I click on this color. This is the white color. Or if I click on this color, then you see this gray color is got. And the next is blender tools, which tools is create a many shape. Okay, and the next is this is many symbol tools, but in this video I can't see you these tools. Okay, and the next is chart tool. So chart is a lot of chart option here, or a lot of different chart here you can take and you can work with your project. Okay, and the next is artboard. Look, this artboard is selected. You can resize your artboard. Okay, you can resize your artboard from these tools. And the next is slice tools. Okay, you slice your artboard many part. Okay, and you can use also for your measurement or marking. And the hand tool is just for a move any side on your design or your paper. Okay, and the next is increase or decrease, plus or minus this size. Okay, I think you got it. And then another option, you look, this is a fill background color and this is a stock color. Okay, now let's see. So first I need to give a fill color. So click on this and choose a color. Okay, look, a fill color is got. Or if you want to choose a stock color, select a color, then okay, look, a stock color is got. Increase or stock. So I think you got it. This is a color plate, and if you click on this, and this is a default color, black and white. This is the default color, and you can swap also this color. Okay, this is a non color. Okay, if you click on this, this gradient is non. But now I try to understand to you actually how to work a gradient color. 15, and you see this is the gradient. Now I change a color little bit. Look, the gradient color I control from this control panel. Okay, everybody, I think you got it. Okay, another tools is you see this is draw behind and draw inside. Okay, so this is our draw inside and this one the draw behind. And this also you see this is just a change skin mode. Click on this, you can change skin mode. This is the full skin mode with maneuver, and this is full skin mode. Just look, this is full skin with maneuver, and this is full skin mode. So I think you got it, everyone. And this also I think you know that my next video is upcoming a real project. Actually, how many project create possible through these Illustrator tools? I have to share with you after video. which is our next video. So in this video is enough for today. Have a good day. See you the next video.